So I went shopping the other day and I found omena, also known as daga, and I thought, oh, I need to make a nice omena fry to have with some ugali. And that is precisely what I did. So this is that tutorial, how to make a nice sweet omena fry. So we're gonna kick things off by frying our omena. And if you're not sure on whether your omena was washed or not before drying, give it a good soak. This one was definitely washed. You don't want to fry it for too long, you just want to crisp it up slightly. I'd say 5 minutes in hot oil is enough. In a separate pan, add an onion that's been sliced. I like to add a tablespoon of salt because this helps draw out all the moisture from the onions. I then add a teaspoon of cumin and about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I like to fry my tomato paste with my onions. I feel like it makes it better. Okay, so next I'm going to add 1 diced tomato, and you want to cook that for about 3 minutes and add some pili hoho, about a half, and cook that as well. I like to add 1 tablespoon sugar to this. This is going to help kind of get rid of that very fishy smell that people tend to hate about omena. I then add 1.5 teaspoons of crushed garlic. And I like to add it at this stage because then you still get the garlic taste. Add your fish into the mix once your tomatoes are nice and soft. And you want to make sure that each little fish is coated in this beautiful tomatoey gravy. I then like to add some coriander. And at this point you can add lime or vinegar as well. I like to do it in the end, like when we're eating. It's also nice to like squeeze some lemon on top as you're eating it. All that's left to do is have some ugali ready. Pick a little ugali, pick some of the omena. Mwah, finger licking good. I'll catch you guys in the next video.